As the campaign season for local opposition approaches, President Bongbong Marcos reminded candidates of their responsibility to serve the Filipino people. Speaking at the League of Municipalities General Assembly, he acknowledged the heated nature of local races, but emphasized that the goal remains helping fellow Filipinos.
Kahit na mainit na nga ang laban, maiinit, maanghang na ang mga binibitawang salita. Sa punot dulo nito, ginagawa natin lahat ito para makatulong sa ating mga minamahal na kapwa Pilipino.
The President said the elections are a crucial part of democracy and means to restore the public service mandate. He also urged local officials to continue serving the public even after their term ends.
Sa dulo ng ating panunungkulan, isang tanong lamang ang mahalaga. Mas maginhawa ba ang buhay ng mga Pilipino dahil sa ating mga ginawa? Kung ang sagot ay oo, alam natin, nagampanan natin ang ating tungkulin. Huwag natin sana makakalimutan yan. At pagkatapos ng halalan, ay alam ko kuminsan napakahirap na magpalamig ng ulo ulit. Ngunit kailangan natin gawin yun dahil kailangan natin lang lahat ng mga gustong tumulong na magkapit-pisig upang magtulungan.
Alam mo yan yung in the past, most violence comes from itong tinatawag na local elections because it's a feudalistic politics in nature. In other words, feudalistic politics means it's very similar sa mga Game of Thrones type na naglalabanan for a specific area.
Tsaka nag-aungkata ng dirt.
Oh, hindi. Not only that. Yun ang buti kung yun lang. Talagang they will resort to violence. Look what happened to yung Maguindanao massacre kay Mangudadato, di ba? That's a feudalistic politics. Local races yun ang pinaglalabanan nila doon.
Mas madugo talaga pag local races.
Oo, kasi you have to remember, yung dalawang family na magkaaway, they're fighting for control of the area. Sometimes kasi yung mga pamilya, not lahat hindi lahat, may mga illegal activities na nangyayari or protecting other people na pag mawala sa poder nila yung lugar na yun, natatakot sila yung business nila mawawala.
Totoo. At dyan nag-uugat din, babalik pa rin tayo sa political dynasty, di ba? Pag natapos yung termino ng nanay, tatay naman, tapos anak naman, and so on and so forth.